we are going to do the wiring, the complete harness of an air conditioning equipment, starting in the capacitors, the circuit board, the triac, and finishing into the sensors and the all high pressure, low pressure switch. This is the harness of an air conditioning equipment. We are going to try to understand what happened in this box. Okay? We are going to figure out how is the wiring here. We are going to figure out how is the connection in the control box. This is the typical connection box. This is exactly the same like this. This is an electronic control box, and this is a digital control box. It's the same. It's the same. Electronic, because this one normally was used with electronic thermostat, and that one is used with mechanical thermostat, those thermostats. In that corner, in the bottom, you have all the neutrals. And you have other three corners, and now we are going to figure out what is the meaning of that. This is the system relay. One corner in the bottom is for neutrals. Right? In the compressor, my friends, you have a small pipe coming out and a big pipe coming in. The small pipe is the high pressure. In the high pressure side, you have the high pressure switch. Some units in the low pressure side, they have other low pressure switch. Both of them have the same function. What is the function of both switches?
To turn off the compressor.
Kill the compressor and protect the compressor. All right? Okay, that's the high pressure switch, and this is the switch. This is the switch. When the case of the compressor is too hot. In what case the case will be too hot?
It's running without refrigerant.
Correct? Correct.
Too
much, the number one reason.
Humidity.
Too much
Humidity.
moisture, humidity in the refrigerant increase the temperature of the compressor. The moisture is the enemy of the compressor. How the moisture enter in the system?
Through the
condenser
fittings.
Or the pad.
In what part can enter moisture in the system, the closed system? Look at the system. Look at the system. Yeah. In what part?
The condenser coils.
Through the
In
fitting.
any part where the pipes are cracked.
A leak. So
In the moment when you introduce the fittings to connect the gauge, you hear normally a lot of refrigerant going out. In that moment, air enter. For that reason, it's not recommended connect the pressure gauge constantly.
too much.
example, this capacitor in the label said in between 21 and 25 microfarads. I am going to check if this capacitor is okay. I select capacitors, is the yellow function. I apply capacitors, should be in between 21 and 25 microfarads. How much?
38. It's no good.
39.
It's not good.
39 microfarads. And the limit is 25. Is good, the capacitor?
No.
It's damaged. That capacitor should be replaced. You understand?
Mhm.
That capacitor probably produced the problem in this unit originally. Coil or outdoor coil. What is the name of this coil?
Evaporator.
Evaporator or indoor coil. Where is located that one?
Inside.
Inside. Oh, this is the indoor coil. When the hot refrigerant is going to the outdoor coil, what mode of refrigeration I have?
Heating up. Cold.
Cooling mode.
Cooling.
Cooling mode. The hot is outside. What happens when you put your hand?
Okay. It's
too hot.
getting rid of the.
This is cooling mode. In this moment is in
Cooling.
cooling mode. Pay attention to this. What happens if I change the knob here for
Heating mode.
heating mode?
This
What
piece-
happened?
This piece right here, though.
What signal I send over there to the white bulb? What signal I send? How much is the signal?
You're saying you want to get heated up?
The signal. How much is the value of the signal and what type of
24 to-
signal is?
24 to 30 volts.
Is in between 24 and 30 volts AC. Volts AC in between 24 and 30 volts AC. AC is an AC signal entering here. AC, not DC. Anybody follow me?